What I'm thinking, I got these little boots here for the minis. These here. Open up, you stick your foot in there, close it back up again. But anyway, what I'm thinking is corking up this bottom. And this is what I'm thinking. Using these self-tapping screws. Screw them in there like that. And then they obviously are going to go through. You can kind of see there how much you're going to go through. But anyway, and then put these in, pull them back out, cut the top of this off, and then I should be able to screw them back in again. And it's just a matter if they will stay in or not. That'll be the thing. And even with these, it might be too icy anyway tomorrow, but I'll try this and see what happens. So this is actually working quite well. I only got one in, but I'll show you what I'm doing here. So put it in my big vise. Actually, this little vise is handier than heck. Like, I use it a lot. There she is. Yeah, I'll put one here, back on the heels. Well, I got them all done. As you can see, I glued them in there too, put a little glue on them. And there's some that didn't go in very good. Had a little trouble. What I ended up doing is I just bucked these off to length, took a small drill bit, drilled them out, like all the way through, and then screwed them in. There's, cutting all these off is kind of a pain, but then you do get a little bit of a tab in there from when these go through, so you got to pull that out, and it's hard to get out. But anyway, I'll see what happens with these, see if they stay in or fall out, and I'll let you know. So I got their boots on. They're not too sure about all the noise. And he's got tape on him there. That tape, he got a little cut on his leg. It was quite a while ago. It's healed right up, but the hair's not coming back. I think there's too much heat coming out of it. And when he laid down, it turned the snow into ice, and then it would stick to it and pull his hair out. So I got that on just to protect him a bit. But I'll walk him out of here, and we'll see how it goes. Walk up. Walk up. Boy, there's a lot of energy. I'm gonna let him crowd out here. Crowd up. Hey, Dukey Duke. There's a little bit of room on here, eh? So creaky, eh?
It could be.
Walk. I want to make sure I try to hit this straight on. Woo-wee! Go on there. Okay, walk up. Okay, whoa. Stop. Walk up. You have to tell me what to do because I can't see back that hole. I want to turn the camera down this way. Okay, well, we got the big horses fed. I'm going to take these guys out for a ride. They got a lot of energy. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Step up. Yeah, so I just want to show you one more thing here before we call it a day. These are my, I'll spin around. So these are the boots I had on them. I'm just sitting here, I'm gonna let them dry up and then I'll clean them out. But all the cork stayed on all of them. And these actually did make a big difference with having, because when we walked them out, they actually were sliding across the driveway there a little bit. So I would say they're a success. I'm happy with them. So anyway, yeah, actually those self-tapping screws like that, I used to actually put them in the heels of my boots in the wintertime, my work boots. Because you always have this saw and stuff like that, and that actually made a big difference. Kept me on my feet anyway. So that's another thing a guy can do with them. But okay, you guys have yourselves a good one.